Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Craft by Kelly and we're going to another vlog with me. Guys, so I'm to make this particular, very simple but yet particular vest. You see this vest you're seeing right now on your screen, this vest, yes. So I wanted to make it for a client of mine. Okay, actually, the client is my brother. So I want to make it for him for his work annual party because he's a nail tech. Yeah, don't mind my nails. My nails is messed up. Due to time, I'm gonna have to start his first. I want to just go get myself ready, get coffee because I have to start my day with that thing. If I don't, it's gonna be a messy day. Let me just get myself up, get my coffee, and we start crocheting away. Hi guys, it is 3 p.m. now. I was running errands all day basically, so it was been a very up and down for me. This was all I was able to get done today. Kind of sad. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just 9. And I'm in need of 40 of this because he's a medium size. So guys, I just made the second row. Can you see that? That's the second row because it's supposed to be 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the border, the white border. But I already had 2. I have here done now. I kind of like the way this is actually flowing. Can you see? I like this. So I have 10 right now. I am quarter of the way through. I need 40 of this. I just have 10 and so yeah, 30 more to go. It is 6:30 in the morning, guys. Good morning. I slept on the floor. I literally left all of my yarn stuff on my bed. First, I need to steam block that dress you see right behind you. Get up later. So we're done steaming and we're gonna have to get back to the crochet that we're working on. So we're just finished now. I'm done with the steam and you can see on my face, I myself am steaming. But before getting on to this, I need to clean up, have a bath, and that today's gonna be a really good day. So let me get to work. Let me clean up and we'll be back, guys. I'm out of the shower, so before we begin, I am hungry. So I need to go get something first. Somewhere around my neighborhood. So let's just head out, get something. Cause I woke up starving. And yes, my door was open. That was crazy, but I'll be right back. Let me get to noon. I finally got all the pieces together. I'm just gonna attach all of this and I'm gonna give you guys an update. All right, guys. So I finished the 40 granny square or 39 right now. And this is it. This is all of what I have. This is all of what I have. Well, it's 38 right now because the front is going to be a round neck and I have to make half of this. Do you get me? So it's going to be half of this like this and half of this like this for the front, for the 2 parts on the front panel. That is what is going to make this the round neck. So right now I have finished making this. I need to join this. I need to arrange this granny square in a way I'm going to like. We are going to be using 20 of this first, and I'm pretty sure it's more than 20, but 20 of this and 20 of this, which is going to be 18 for now until I make the other 2. So I have a free day today and there's quite a bit of short timing on this one. this is what I have laid out. It's supposed to be 5, but I'm making it 4. I need to be sure because this is a medium size. I need to be sure. So after joining this 4 squares, I'm going to have to take a measurement again. If it's not to my appropriate sizing, then I'm going to add 1 more layer of granny square. 4 more actually. Yeah, for a row.
So tonight, Alice, it's not your traditional themed episode.
Great.
I'm giving the 3 of you the upper hand in this round. Like, or only sea urchin.
Black garlic, we don't need black garlic. Bye-bye.
Black garlic is kind of...
Here's some equipment that you have to choose. So we have a vacuum sealer.
You know what I like the least?
What?
Have you tried to use...
Vacuum sealer?
Yeah, let's do vacuum sealer.
Yeah, alright. Vacuum sealer.
with the coloratura?
Great vintage, September.
You say talk to me, what do you have in mind?
I'm making a coloratura risotto.
Oil in it because of the rice and the starch can really soften it.
Pretty good.
What are some of the misconceptions about a risotto?
That you have to stand over it. You can go over and stir it every once in a while. I'll go like this and do other things.
Really just want that rice to absorb?
Yes, 3 times, 6 minutes each time, 18 minutes, done.
This guy's done it so much, he has it to a science. It's insane. JC is just unlike anybody.
That's Kristen's old number. You never noticed that Kristen's number was her number? Wait, that's her number? Yeah, that's her number. You never noticed that Kristen's old number was her number?
No.
Hey, Taylor, what's up? We're downstairs into the living room, so you should come down and we should get things going. Alright, so see you in a second. I just want to be able to look at the camera all day and roll my eyes. You're pretty quiet today. Guess I'll go up there and knock. You guys want to hang here for a second? Jeez, you know.
Finally done, guys. Yes, I'm still in my bonnet. Yes, it is the evening, and yes, I'm in my home clothes because I'm enjoying it. Why not? So I am done with this, and he ended up saying he doesn't want the zipper anymore, so it should just be an open shirt, which is a plus for me because I was already tired already. I'm not even ready to fix any zip. I'm tired, but I'm done. Finally, we're done with his, and he's on his way here in a few hours to get his outfit. If it is still bright out, I might be able to take a photo or a video of him and post. But if I can't, I think he's going to send me a video from his party or wherever he intends using it to. But this is what we're done with. We're done. I'm just going to pack it up. Obviously, he's a medium size, and I'm like, what? I'm like 2XL. There's no way I can fit into this. No way. So we're done. He's given a very off, a sleeveless cardigan. My headroom is very small. Hold on, guys. 1 second. Fixed. So it's a sleeveless cardigan, but the down is bunched up together. Anyway, I'm done with this. I'm going to pack this one. I'm going to take today. I'm not working today anymore, and I'm not working today anymore, and I'm going to continue tomorrow. All right, guys. So I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, share to your family, your friends, to your sister, your brother, anybody, your loved ones. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for stopping by. Bye.